Learn English through story.
Exploring the Orbs. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the mountains, there lived a boy named Kai. Kai was known throughout the village for his mischievous nature and his constant need for adventure. He was always getting into trouble, whether it was sneaking out at night to explore the forest or pulling pranks on his friends and family. Despite his misbehavior, Kai had a good heart and meant well. He just couldn't resist the urge to explore and have fun. One day, as he was wandering through the forest, he stumbled upon a cave that he had never seen before. The entrance was hidden behind a waterfall, and Kai couldn't resist the temptation to explore what lay beyond. He crept through the dark, damp cave, using only a torch to guide him. The air grew colder and the path grew steeper, but Kai pressed on. Finally, after what felt like hours, he emerged into a massive cavern, lit by glowing crystals embedded in the walls. In the center of the cavern, there was a pedestal with a glowing orb resting on top. Kai approached the pedestal, intrigued by the orb's pulsing glow. As he reached out to touch it, a voice boomed out from the darkness. "Who dares disturb the orb of wisdom?" the voice asked. Kai froze, unsure of what to do. "I'm sorry," he stammered. "I didn't know this was sacred ground. I was just exploring." The voice chuckled. "I see. Well, since you've made it this far, perhaps you are worthy to receive the wisdom of the orb. But be warned, the knowledge it holds is not to be taken lightly." Kai nodded eagerly, and the voice continued. "The orb of wisdom holds the secrets of the universe. It contains knowledge beyond the understanding of mortal minds. But with that knowledge comes great responsibility. You must promise to use what you learn for the greater good, and never for personal gain." Kai nodded again, feeling a sense of excitement and trepidation at the same time. The voice grew quieter, and the orb began to glow even brighter. "Then take the orb, and let its wisdom guide you," the voice said. "But remember, the knowledge you gain must be used wisely. And if you ever betray that trust, the orb will be lost to you forever." With that, the orb lifted itself from the pedestal and flew into Kai's outstretched hand. He gasped in surprise as he felt a rush of energy flow through him, as if he had suddenly been infused with a great power. Kai emerged from the cave a changed person. The knowledge he had gained from the orb filled him with a sense of purpose and responsibility. He no longer felt the need to act impulsively or seek out dangerous adventures. Instead, he used his newfound wisdom to help his friends and family, to solve problems in the village, and to make the world a better place. Years passed, and Kai grew into a wise and respected leader in the village. He used the lessons he had learned from the orb to guide his decisions and to help others whenever he could. And though he faced many challenges along the way, he never lost sight of the importance of using his knowledge for the greater good. The moral of the story is that knowledge is a powerful tool, but it must be used responsibly. With great power comes great responsibility, and it is up to each of us to use the knowledge we gain to make the world a better place. Thank you for watching.